Hello students, I am Professor Namrata Hampiholi from Department of Commerce and Accountancy. Welcome you all for this online class. I hope everyone is safe and fine at home. So the learning process shouldn't be stopped. With that intention, we are going to begin with our second semesters through this online mode. And about your papers which are left out in your first semester, we will be completing it soon after this lockdown. So you will be writing with those two papers, so you won't be promoted, so you have to write those papers. So this learning shouldn't be stopped. So let us start the second semesters through these online classes, wherein we will be sending you all the pre-recorded videos. You can sit at home and you can start your studies. So one of the subject which is offered to you in the second semester is investment management. This is a subject offered by your CBCS, that is CBCS what we are studying updated syllabus. So let us have the look over the content of this subject. What are we are going to study in this second semester in the subject? So first unit is the investment environment, wherein we are going to study about the investment decision process, the types of investments, which includes the commodities of the investment, real estate, financial asset, and we are going to study about the Indian security markets, the participants in this market, and trading of how the trading of securities is done. Then next is security market indices, then sources of financial information, then the concept of return and risk, and impact of taxes and inflation on return. This is the content of for the first unit. Coming to the second unit, that is fixed income securities, wherein we are going to learn about bond features, types of bonds, then estimating bonds, that is estimating bond yields, that is returns, then bond valuation, types of bond, risk, default risk, and credit rating, wherein you will be having the practical problems wherein we are going to solve them. Then coming to the third unit, that is approaches to equity analysis, which includes introduction to the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, efficient market hypothesis, dividend capitalization models, and price earning multiple approach to equity valuation, even that includes the practical problems. Coming to the fourth unit, that is portfolio analysis and financial derivatives, wherein you are going to learn about the portfolio and its diversification, risk and returns, about the mutual funds, about the introduction to the financial derivatives, then financial derivative markets in India, again which includes the problems. Then coming to the last unit, that is investor protection, wherein the role of SEBI and stock exchange in investors are included. Then investor grievances and their redressal system, insider trading, investor awareness, and activism. So these are the contents in which you are going to study in this investment management. So when we look at the all these 5 units, these are the topics which are like currently running. And being a student of the accountancy, that is being the student of the commerce, it is very important to know about these situations. These are, you can say, this is about the all financial market, how the finance in the country runs. Okay, so what are the contents, or what are the what you can say, that is what are the currently going in the financial markets. So by reading these 5 units, you will come to know about the financial system in our country. So in our next video, we will be starting with our first unit.